Honorable Professor Mahendra P. Lama, JNU, New Delhi, and Chief Economic Advisor to Government of Sikkim, Professor Sivasis Biswas, Pro Vice Chancellor, Assam University, Difu campus, and guests from Chakma Commerce Council from Mizoram, respected guests from different organizations here in Karbi Anglong, Karbi Cultural Society, Karbi Lamthe, Karbi Student Association, and others organization, and also paper presenters, academia, and lastly Professor Huli Dhanaraju, coordinator of the seminar. I, on behalf of Dr. Rongphar, Honorable CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, who could not be here now due to urgent engagement, extended our warm welcome and pardon on behalf of the seminar organizer, the Center for Karbi Studies, Difu Government College, and the Political Science Department of Assam University, Difu campus, to our honorable guest, scholar, and paper presenter and friend. It is indeed an honor and privilege to host you for this two-day national seminar on the subject, 75 years of the Sixth Schedule, Unresolved Issue and Challenges, the Way Forward. As you all know, Karbis were among the earliest inhabitants in this part of northeast India, tracing their antique folklore suggests Karbi settled the Kolong disposition, but often condemned for being most non-violent, which did not fit in the colonial ideas. Karbi had suffered for being peaceful and were forced to migrate back and forth and crisscrossing the entire geography of the Northeast. When the British came, Karbis were split into hills and plains categories. In the process of the constitution making, particularly with the implementation of Government of India Act 1935, Karbi were placed under the partially explored areas in the most crucial decade before independence. This gradually led to the creation of the United Mikri Hills and North Kachar Hills on 17 November 1951. In terms of geographical area, Karbi Anglong and the Arthur Mikri Hills is the largest district in the northeast with 10,434 square kilometers, which is governed under the Sixth Schedule of the Indian Constitution. In its checkered history, Karbi Anglong has faced many challenges and weaknesses, changed in an agonizing process of growing up. The experience of the past 3 decades have shown that provision of the Sixth Schedule are not enough for ensuring the protection, promotion of tribal identity, protection of their rights over their land, hill and territory. Powerful democratic movement followed by armed insurgencies in the past decade have been able to introduce some structural change, but we all understand that Sixth Schedule suffer from the inherent weakness as well. The Council does not have ministerial power, nor does it have power to advise the governor. Unless this issue are addressed, the question of autonomy as we aspire to will elusive as ever. This national seminar is expected to deliberate such crucial issue, and we are immensely hopeful that your august presence in this will delve depth into the finding a way forward. Before concluding, I would like also share my little knowledge of Autonomous Council functioning. As a member of the Autonomous Council under Sixth Schedule, as many of our honorable speaker has given a picture how the Sixth Schedule is powerful, or many of them has said that this will be the model for other tribes or other area. But as we are the first beneficiary of this sixth schedule of the Constitution for the last 70 years. We have been under this functioning. But then we have come with shortages, as I have mentioned earlier. Professor Lamthe has given two pictures of the sixth schedule. One is that the power that is enshrined in the Constitution, and other is the contradiction between the government and the state government and the council. Here we have also the same experience. In the Constitution, we have the power to make law, the power to make amendment, but then all these, the law, making of the process of law, we have to go through a process which is called, we have to pass in the session here in our session, just like the assembly, and after passing it here, we will have to send it to the governor. Though the governor has a special provision or his discretionary power, he does not use that power. The stumbling block come here is Article 163, which the governor has to take the advice of the Council of Ministers, which is again come back to the state government. So whatever law we make here, it does not get consent from the governor, because he has to ask advice from the state government, and the state government does not consent to it, that the government sign that law and make a law for the Commerce Council. So there is a contradiction. So Professor Lama has already made this contradiction. So here we have also, so we have been under the sixth schedule for the 70 years, but we, now the people of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao, they wanted to migrate from sixth schedule to the Article 244A, because we thought, the people of this area thought that under sixth schedule we cannot protect our land, our culture, our boundaries. So this is what we thought, or the people of here are beginning to thought. But then, as I've seen from the speech from Sonamang Chudji sir, they wanted to be in a sixth schedule. Or many tribes of in Assam also, they wanted to be under sixth schedule, or from the hills of Manipur, the tribes in Manipur, they also wanted to be under sixth schedule. Or even from Mizoram and Tripura also, because they see this sixth schedule, the present sixth schedule in Karbi Anglong is the most powerful and this is the model. But then, as we are the beneficiary here, but then we are not satisfied with what the present sixth schedule dispensation is for us. So anyway, in this seminar, this national seminar, many professor and academics has come here, and we will definitely find a way out so that the people of Karbi Anglong or Dima Hasao, or what Sonamang Chudji has said, that they just wanted to be included in the sixth schedule, so that the power could be distributed more evenly to the people here. Because when you say about power and functioning, you need financial grant from the government of India also. When the government of India or the political leadership in the state or in the government of in the central government, they just wanted to give more power to the council. But again, the stumbling block came in the form of bureaucracy, because they try to circumvent the rules and the regulations of the government just to prevent direct funding to the council or direct project to the given to the council. So this has happened. There is so much contradiction. So in the last, I have been the member of the Commerce Council for the last 7 years, and then I have little knowledge of this functioning here. So there has to be found. Otherwise, we thought that this is irrelevant for the people of Karbi Anglong or Dima Hasao. Wangjuki has yesterday visited Dima Hasao also. Maybe they have got some of this, their peace of mind to him also, given the person to him also. So anyway, this seminar will break down the solution to what we have facing here, and I hope that the hall is full, brim with the students of university and college here. So I hope that in technical session, everybody will be here, not just to have a glimpse of our Sonam Angsugi, because yesterday when I landed in Hyderabad, I just came from Abu Dhabi, and then my phone, when I switched on, many people have been calling me and messaging me, oh, Sonam Angsugi is in town, so can we came and meet him or something like that. So I don't know, but you can come to the seminar and then you will definitely hear from him speaking there. So because somebody has spread the word that in the film Three Idiots, the character of the Amir Khan, that Hangsu Gongru is based on his lives. So I don't know if the truth is that, but then many people are asking this thing, and then I tell you come to the seminar and definitely you will have glimpses of him, and then at least we can ask some take photographs and selfies with him. So anyway, I am immense and thankful to respected Sonam Angsugi, our esteemed chief guest, Metsose Evardi and his team, and Professor S.K. Das, University of Calcutta, former Vice Chancellor of University of North Bengal, Professor Lama of JNU New Delhi and Chief Advisor to the Government of Sikkim, and for making this effort of ours very worthwhile, and your presence have made us proud, especially the Carbon Commerce Council in its 71 this Carbon Day, which we are celebrating on 17th of this month for 2 days. So hope everybody enjoy and everybody will be hearing out our esteemed guests speaking and to those present in paper. Thank you and so on and